Hi, I'm Ray. There's a saying in many parts of Africa that if you spit out a seed from a fruit and it falls to the ground, it might just grow. Now, of course, Africa is a vast and diverse continent. It is not a monolith. But one thing many regions share is incredibly fertile land that produces some of the world's most powerful plants, herbs, and natural ingredients. For generations, many of these herbs have been used in traditional hair care to help nourish the scalp, strengthen the strands, and support long, healthy hair. So in today's video, we're going to explore 7 powerful herbs found across Africa that can support natural hair growth and help with your length retention. And some of these herbs might already be in your kitchen. Let's make a start with the first herb, hibiscus. Hibiscus grows widely in Nigeria, Senegal, and Sudan, where it is also used to make a herbal drink known as bisap and zobo. Hibiscus contains vitamin C, amino acids, and antioxidants. Some of the benefits hibiscus has on natural hair include it strengthens fragile hair strands, helps reduce breakage, supports moisture retention, improves hair softness and shine. These benefits help natural hair retain length more easily. How to use hibiscus. On my channel, I do have a video where I show you how to use hibiscus as part of your natural hair regime. I show you how to make your very own hibiscus hair rinse tea. So you can use hibiscus as a hair rinse tea after you shampoo. You can also use hibiscus powder as a hair mask or an infused hibiscus oil. I do have a video that I showcase how to make your very own natural hair mask using some powerful, potent, amazing powders that can be found on the continent of Africa to help your hair grow. And one of the powders featured is hibiscus, so look out for that. Number 2, Neem. Neem can also be found in Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya, where it is often used as traditional medicine. In Nigeria, Neem is also known as dogoyaro. I'm not really sure what that translates into, but they call it dogoyaro there across various tribes, especially in the Yoruba tribe, and it has been known to be an excellent plant to reduce pesticides and helps even those who may be suffering from malaria. Neem, aka dogoyaro, contains vitamin E, antioxidants, and has antimicrobial properties. Some of the benefits Neem has for your natural hair: it helps maintain a healthy scalp, reduces dandruff and buildup, soothes itchy scalp, and supports stronger hair growth. A healthy scalp is essential for consistent hair growth and thicker strands. How to use Neem. You can use neem oil to massage your scalp. You can use neem tea to rinse your hair, or a neem powder hair mask. Number 3, Moringa. Moringa grows in Ghana, Senegal, and Kenya. And some of these things I'm mentioning, they can be found in other areas across the continent, not just the ones I'm mentioning. Some of the benefits of Moringa include it's high in vitamin A, vitamin E, great levels of iron and zinc and amino acids. All these things that I've mentioned are vital if you want to see an improvement in the health of your hair. Try to incorporate some of these things more often and you will, fingers crossed and by God's grace, see an improvement in the health of your hair. Some of the benefits Moringa has for natural hair: it strengthens weak or fragile strands, nourishes the scalp, improves the hair elasticity, and reduces breakage. Because natural hair is naturally more fragile, these nutrients help keep your hair strong and resilient. How to use Moringa as part of your natural hair regime. You can apply a Moringa powder hair mask. You can infuse the Moringa powder into an oil, or again, you can use it as a hair rinse. Number 5, I think that is Chebe. Chebe originates from Chad, particularly amongst the Basara Arab women known for their extremely long hair traditions. Chebe contains natural plant components that help protect and strengthen hair strands. Chebe is particularly popular amongst we who have type 4 hair, and this is why it locks in moisture, strengthens hair strands, reduces breakage, and improves length retention. Many women use Chebe treatments to keep their hair healthy and long. How to use Chebe as part of your natural hair regime. Mix Chebe powder in with oils and butter and apply to the shaft of your hair, not the scalp. Apply to braided or twisted hair, and this will help your hair be moisturized and protected. Number 5. Baobab. Where is it found? Baobab trees grow across Senegal, Zimbabwe and Madagascar. Some of the benefits include it's high in vitamin C, omega fatty acid and antioxidant. Baobab is excellent for natural hair because it deeply moisturizes dry hair, improves hair elasticity, strengthens hair breakage, and helps prevent breakage. Strengthens hair strands and helps prevent breakage. It is especially useful for dry and brittle natural hair. To use Baobab as part of your natural hair regime, you may want to use the oil to massage your scalp, use the powder in a hair mask, or use some of the powder or the oil into a conditioner of your choice. Number 6, a favorite of many of ours, aloe vera. Aloe vera can be found in various parts of Africa. It grows naturally in parts of South Africa, Kenya and Ethiopia. And I've said in a previous video, I have seen this plant across various places in West Africa. Aloe vera is truly a powerhouse because it contains vitamins A, C and E, amino acids and various enzymes. Aloe vera is excellent for natural hair because it hydrates dry hair, smooths the scalps, helps define curls, improves moisture balance. This helps natural hair stay soft, manageable and healthy. How to use. You can use the gel on the scalp if you have irritable scalp. Avoid getting the flesh, so the bark, so the green parts on your hair, but the gel is okay, but I'm sure you do a patch test. You can mix it into a hair mask, add it into leave-in, as you know from previous videos. If not, please do check them out. You can also create your very own aloe vera oil, as well as use aloe vera as a detangler. Red bush. Where is it found? Red bush is native to South Africa, particularly the Cederberg region. Red bush contains antioxidant, is rich in zinc and has several other important minerals that are excellent for your natural hair. Red bush strengthens hair strands, soothes scalp irritation, supports healthy follicle growth and improves hair shine. To use red bush, you can use it as a hair tea rinse and a herbal hairspray. I actually have a very quick recipe on how to create your very own red bush tea rinse, so do check it out if it's not posted already.
Do you desire healthy natural hair but do not know where to start? Are you a naturalista looking to take your hair to the next level? Are you looking for an easy to follow guide on how to achieve the hair of your dreams? Why not invest in one of our tailor-made hair summaries? Using the information you share with us, we create a hair summary with suggestions, tips and remedies on how you can improve your hair health. Each summary is tailor-made to meet your hair needs and will help you achieve your hair goals. Invest in your hair today and get one of our tailor-made hair summaries made just for you. Your strands will thank you. Hair summaries are available at www.thenaturalhairtoolkit.com.
All the herbs mentioned are particularly helpful for natural hair because they help strengthen the strands and improve moisture retention, which is essential for length retention. That brings us to the end of the video. Which one of these herbs do you have at home or do you plan to try? Leave it in the comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with at least one friend. Have a good day. Ray.